In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lucky Wheel to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have an engaging spinning wheel on your page that can boost signups, coupons claimed, or overall interaction without any complicated coding. First, head over to the Spinning Wheel widget builder on Common Ninja. This is where you'll design and configure your Lucky Wheel. Start by adding your prize segments. Think discounts, freebies, or special messages. Give each slice a clear label so visitors know what they can win. Choose colors that match your brand and adjust the text to sound friendly and on-brand. Most builders also let you control the wheel's behavior, so take a moment to set how and when it appears. For example, you might trigger it on page load after a short delay, or when someone clicks a button. If available, set frequency rules so the wheel doesn't pop up on every visit, and decide what happens after a spin, like showing a success message or revealing the prize in a pop-up. When your wheel looks and feels right, save your widget. Then click Add to Website and select Copy Embed Code. This will copy a small snippet you'll paste into your ClickFunnels page. Don't change anything inside that snippet. It's designed to load the wheel correctly. Now open the ClickFunnels page editor for the exact page where you want the wheel to appear. Choose the section or area that makes sense for your layout. Even though many wheels appear as overlays, placing the code near the top of the page helps ensure it loads promptly. Add a custom HTML or custom code element to the page. You'll find it in the Elements panel inside the editor. Drag it into position, open its settings, and paste the embed code you copied from Common Ninja into the content box. If the builder provides a preview, you might see a placeholder. That's normal. The full wheel usually renders correctly on the live page. Save your changes in the editor and publish your page. Open a fresh preview or a new incognito window to test it like a visitor would. If you set a delay or a specific trigger, wait for that condition to happen. Check both desktop and mobile to confirm the wheel looks good and is easy to interact with. If it doesn't show, double-check that you saved the widget on Common Ninja, pasted the complete code, and published your changes in ClickFunnels. That's it. Your Lucky Wheel is live and ready to delight your visitors.